Now you see LCLs, first you need to go to a website known as razorpay.com. It's a very well-known website. Lot of top companies are associated with this Razorpay. Okay, so if you see the website, you can see here all these companies. All these companies. It's a very big brand, razorpay.com. Okay, so now you have to first sign up. Okay, so I'm not signing up because I've already signed up for Pile for doing this. So just log in. Sign up means you just need to give your email ID and create a password. So here already ipleloa@gmail.com, and then you give whatever password you have created and say I'm not a robot, and then log in. So once you log in, you just first what you need to do is on the left side here on this open is a dashboard screen. When you're first time logging in, you have to first go down and go to my account. My account, you see what are the things over here: contact name, display name, all these things you fill up. Most important is the KYC form. So you fill up the KYC form. So things like business proof, Aadhaar card, if you have GST certificates, all this KYC basically ID proof, address proof. You have to just upload the document. So already Piles has been done, so it's uploaded. Okay. So now suppose say you're registered, you have uploaded the KYC. Even before verification of KYC, you can start the transaction. But once you log in, go to this my account and upload all your pages and documents. Okay. Now you go to payment pages. Here you can see payment pages. Click on payment pages. Here you go down. Here you can click create payment page. One thing always remember while using this website here above, there are two modes. One is live mode and one is test mode. Live mode is actually it's happening and test mode is just for your testing. Okay. So obviously I'm under live mode. So say correct. So now while showing you what you need to do, so say create payment page. I'm showing you under live mode so you can understand. So I'm creating one page. So I have to create the payment page. Click on this. So for us, what is this? Create your own events ticket accepting for based is fees collection. So our is fees collection. So we click on this fees collection. Let's go. Now you see what you can do. Okay. Now on top, as I've already put Pile's name, center name and Pile name because in this name, GST number, everything is there. Say enter page title. So example, you can enter SIP, Abacus, Lilua, fees. Okay. SIP, Abacus, Abacus, Lilua, center, fees like this. Then program name, you can just put program name as SIP, Abacus. Program description, just SIP, Abacus, India. Fee breakup. Now here you can mention like monthly fee. Why monthly fee? Sometimes you may have to charge books, fee, registration, whatever. So I put monthly fee. Monthly fee Pile falls under GST, and so GST inclusive 808 is the fee, rupees 808. In bracket, you can write inclusive GST. If no GST, no need to write this, including 18% GST. Keep it simple. Plus, you have to add 2% bank charges because see, everybody knows it's a rule. If you do all this online transaction, net banking, debit, credit card through any link, then this bank charges, 2% bank charges, you know, it is, you have to pay. So I mentioned here. So that is coming to say rupees, I calculate and see, 824.16. So 808, our original fee is 950 per month, 15% discount 808, which is including GST, plus 2% bank charges. Because see, at the end of the day, if the parent is not ready to go to the bank, parent is not ready to download Phone Pay or Paytm or Google Pay, whatever, we are giving them this simple link where the parent don't even have to download any app. No headache is there. Just click debit card, credit card. You will see so many options coming. And best part is parent does not have to download any app. Okay. So here fees breakup we have given. Okay. Fees breakup, everything has been given. Here's a customize, like a Word file, you have to customize it. Name of the organizer, again same, SIP, Abacus, Lilua, Center, Bracket, Pile, Malik. Okay. And then you come to this field, amount price field. Now, I don't want to put a fixed price because they may pay 1 month fee, 2 month fee, books fee, etc. for future. Here anyway, I'm giving the monthly fee detail. That's the reason I've mentioned here monthly fee. But here I don't want to put a fixed fee. Let the customer decide on the fee. So field price field, I click and customer decide amount. Here I click at customer decide amount. Don't go for fixed amount. Otherwise, in 2 months fee, 3 months fee, book fee, all this you cannot collect. Because we need to create only one link. We can't have multiple links. So customer decide the amount. Anyway, when you will be sending the link, you mention the amount, what amount the customer has to fill up. So here amount remains amount. We don't disturb anything. We put save. So amount option comes. Email and phone number is mandatory. Everybody, you can't change this. You can't change email. And this is a mandatory field. You can see it's mandatory. It cannot be deleted. Okay. Because email and mobile number, see nowadays every parent has an email ID and obviously mobile number. New input, what new input can you add? Input field, I would say go to alphabets and just enter one input, simple, student name, so that tomorrow in all transaction and balance sheet everywhere you can match the student name and save it. So you see amount is there, email ID the parent has to fill up, mobile number and student name. Okay. So in this phone number, you can just do one edit. Instead of phone, you put here mobile, mobile number. Otherwise, they will put landline number. So you can see amount, email, mobile number, student name. Okay, done. Nothing else is required. And so payment is saying 0 because I'm not fixing up. Sorry, I'm not fixing up any amount. Okay, so go above, create and publish page. It's created. You can see this is a URL. Okay. You can see share via SMS or email the receipt. Whenever somebody pays you, you will get a mobile SMS as well as email. So it's done. You copy the URL. Okay. And say go to email ID of your, say I've gone to my mail. Go to Compose, paste the link, send it to yourself or to parents or anybody. So I'm just sending to myself. You know why? So that from my laptop or from my mobile, see, I can easily go to my mail ID, copy the link and WhatsApp or SMS to the parent, this particular link. Now, I'm just logging out. So you have to log out. This is done. Go back to dashboard. Yes, here you go and log out. Okay, so now I'm no more logged in. So now like a parent, now Payal has done all these things. Now, suppose I have got this link by WhatsApp, SMS, whatever, email. I'm a customer, I'm the parent. I click on the link. So what it comes, you see in mobile also. They don't have to download any app anywhere. So the parent gets to see this. Everything is given, monthly fee details. You can add over here book fee also separately, book fee, number one monthly fee, number two book fee. Like this, you can add 1, 2 like that. When you are setting up the page and enter the amount. Say enter example, I want to enter 2 rupees. Email ID, shubha gmail.com. Mobile number 80866. Student name Rohini. And pay 2 rupees. Now you can see here. Here you have got your email ID. Everything is there. You can pay by card, debit or credit card, net banking, wallet, UPI, QR. All these options. Best option for is card. Every parent must be having a debit card. So you can see they are saying an OTP has been sent. OTP has been sent by Razorpay to your mobile ID. I've got this OTP in my mobile. I'm seeing this from my mobile and entering. So the OTP has been automatically accepted. Okay, it's auto acceptance. Now here I put the card number, debit or credit card, expiry date, cardholder name, CVV, like you normally pay, and the payment is done. Once you payment, immediately the customer will get an email, SMS, as well as the screen which they are doing. They will get this payment thing. So just to show you this, it's very easy. The only problem is this 2% extra charges you need to add. Now, company was saying you let the LCL decide that whether they want to charge the 2% or they want to absorb it. So I said, no, I think we should charge it. There are two reasons. Number one, already the LCLs are bearing a hit because of the 15% discount. Number two, we are giving the option of Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, net banking, or they can go to any bank where this 2% thing is not applicable. But if they cannot do anything, and we also cannot take health risk and open the center to take cash, so best is I'm sending you this simple link where there is no app, nothing to download. Just click, use your debit or credit card or net banking, whatever you want, and pay. But for this 2% charges, everybody in the country knows 2% bank charges are taken. We will not get this amount. Now, how will Razorpay pay to you? Razorpay will basically, once somebody pays to you, if you go to the Razorpay side, I'm not again showing you, it will show you statement. This person has paid you this. But Razorpay will hold the money for 2 working days. Suppose today is Monday. In my bank account, which I have linked in the, yes, you have to link your bank account also in the Razorpay. So after 2 working days, your Razorpay will transfer the whatever money Razorpay has collected to your whichever bank account you linked with the with the Razorpay when you were entering and registering what bank you link. So very simple way where parents don't have to download everything. The only thing is here is the 2% charges, and you get the money after 2 days. And Razorpay you can find out is a very well trusted, very well known brand, and I think you can easily do that. So I'll just stop the recording here.